Happy Halloween, my friends. Say hello to my little friend. Hello. Now, in recent Halloweens, my dad has asked me to decorate a pumpkin of his. And this year's pumpkin, though it is a humble little paper cut design, I'm quite fond of this little character I created. And I thought, why not? Let's share it in a video. Now, I created this character in just a couple minutes, honestly. I mean, that's probably obvious. What might have been some of the inspirations for this particular character? Well, the shape itself is kind of reminiscent of a Zulu shield, which makes sense because I just made a video about Black Panther recently, and I talked about Zulu Shield, so that shape was fresh in my mind, so that's likely where that came from. The little thing on the top of its head is kind of reminiscent of a Kepler mask. Well, the little square shape that's on top of many Kepler masks, which is from the Senefu people. We've also discussed them in a video. And the little triangular shape eyes are, of course, similar to the bottom eyes of the Kepler mask of the Bale people, which you, of course, have seen many times on my wall. But what about the mouth? The mouth, I was probably thinking of an Ogoni mask. And I don't believe I've ever talked about this particular mask on the show, so let's talk about that now. The Ogoni come from Nigeria, and this specific mask is known as a Karikpo mask. These sorts of masks portray buffalo, antelopes, sheep, and goats. Karikpo masks are worn at performances during the beginning of the agricultural season to honor local deities and important ancestors. Their dances involve somersaults and other acrobatics. This particular Karikpo mask is thought to share its aesthetics with the ghost masks of the Mumano society among the Igbo. Furthermore, its ram's horns are symbolic of perseverance, stoicism, determination, and aggression, which is tempered by docility and restraint. I hope you enjoyed today's episode, my friends. To be honest, I was kind of hesitant to even make a Halloween video like this because I don't want the average person to step away from this video and think, oh, African masks, scary. Like, if you think that, that's kind of ignorant. There's obviously some masks in Africa that are meant to be terrifying, but there are also many masks that are meant to represent many other aspects of life. So, I just want to reassert that fact before we end things off today. And now you may be wondering, Justin, if you're concerned about that, why did you even make a Halloween episode? Because, quite simply, I like Halloween. Simple as that, folks. Halloween is fun. And also, like many of my other videos, this video can serve as a way of getting the attention of the general public to learn more about African culture. Alrighty, remember, if you enjoyed today's episode, to like, comment, and subscribe for more.